Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust font size on Google Sheets. So first of all, want to open Google Sheets. So for adjusting the font size, now you can see the normal size of the font here. So for adjusting the font size, here on the top you can see menu options, and here you can see a number here, font size. From here you can just change it by typing, or otherwise you can see a plus symbol here. Click on that, and then after clicking that you type, you can see that you had been adjust the font size. If you want to decrease, then you can just click on this minus symbol, and from then you can just type it, and then you can see that you had been adjust the font size on Google Sheets. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.